This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Realty property video is presented by Beth Heinzman. Looking for a place to call home or an investment property or a bit of both? This is a great find. With the ramps and handicap access rooms, it would be perfect for multi-generational home, where you could live in the 2-bedroom on one side and rent out the studio to generate income. The detached 2-car garage with separate large utility and laundry room could is a big plus for the vehicle enthusiast. The large backyard has double gate opening to the alleyway, perfect for parking boat or RV. No HOA, so you have renting freedom. Tenant in place, so please contact me for appointment and do not disturb tenant. For more information, review the details below or contact Beth Heinzman at 954-732-3895.